Bill. How you doing? What are you doing?
I'll tell you what, I'm gonna seal my lips for you.
You're gonna who?
I'm seal my lips. Watch. Ready?
Wait. This I'm gonna.
You gotta get this on camera. You can put this free charge. Ready?
Okay.
You know, super great.
Come a little closer.
Close.
Yeah. Okay. Go.
Right? Really?
Wait. Let it stick for a little.
Very good.
Let it stick for a little.
You know what? Right? It doesn't stick with me. No, I'll try again.
Leave your mouth closed for like, leave your lips closed for 5 seconds. Now look at the camera when you go to open your mouth. Bill, talk. That's disgusting. I'm about to puke.
Not bad.
That's disgusting.